What's up, car porn lovers? This is our 2018 Subaru STI. We are doing a Varex exhaust right now on it. So we've chose a single side cannon so that we can get rid of the piping here on the right side. We don't think we need all the extra weight and piping here, so we are gonna go with a straight through 3-inch exhaust pipe which goes right straight through here and hooks up to the Varex right there. So far we've mounted our scale system. I don't know if you can see that. So here we have our headers made in-house at Car Porn Racing, wrapped in our DEI exhaust wrap. I can't wait to get this thing started to hear it. That's all the way up and then bringing it down. Awesome. Hey guys, this is Angie King from Car Porn Racing, and today we'll be installing all our Perrin goodies. We have our 2018 STI VA right behind me. We'll be doing the Perrin bolt-on goodies for the engine. We have the front mount intercooler, the pitch stop fork, the short shifter, some gauges. So we'll be trying to install as much of the parts as we can. After that, we're going to be tuning the car. Right now, Aero and Edward are behind the car. They will be installing our Air Motion Active Wing. The Air Motion Active Wing is based off some ECU readouts where it basically moves the wing up to brake, and then upon acceleration it will flatten out. So we're going to be updating you guys with this build. I hope you guys like it. We're excited to get this car going, and we are also dealing with Perrin now, so if you guys need any parts for your Subaru, hit us up. So we've gotten the alternator out, we've gotten the map off, we gotta take off the intake. I'm just waiting for help so we can change the turbo inlet hose. I love this design of the Perrin front mount intercooler, it's very genius. So what happens is you remove the stock bumper support, and the Perrin front mount intercooler has this rigid frame on top which makes it the new bumper go up on the grille. Right now Wendell's trying to figure out our lightweight underdrive pulley.